Ever noticed airplane food tastes, well, different? It's not just the cooking. Low cabin pressure and dry air numb about 30% of your taste buds, especially sweet and salty. Your sense of smell also dulls significantly at altitude, which heavily impacts flavor perception. Even the constant back engine noise plays a role, reducing your ability to detect bitterness, sweetness, and saltiness. This is why airlines often boost umami flavors to make meals more palatable. So next time, consider a savory dish over a sweet one for a better experience. What's your go-to airplane snack? Tell the comments.